part of Pushpa and giving us a big energy and being a big part of Pushpa and making this movie even more bigger with his presence. He's a wonderful actor, an actor who I have a huge respect for. When we thought of this character, Banwar Singh Shekhawat, somewhere deep inside I wanted him to play this character. And somewhere I had a feeling that if he listens to the character, maybe he will be interested to play the character. And very fortunately, he likes Sukumar sir a lot. He has huge respect for Sukumar sir and he heard the film. And he said, I like the role. And that too, we're doing a film with no other, the best possible Telugu actor because it's Bunny. And publicly, I'd like to thank him. Thank you, Fahad. Thank you so much for being a part of Pushpa. You have given great energy into the film. You're a fantastic actor. And it was my absolute joy to see you perform live. What we did on screen, watch it on December 17th. Taggedele party. There's no bigger party that I can give than this. Okay. And talking about my artists, there have been lovely artists in this movie. And especially my Shrivalli, Rashmika. This is Rashmika's style. Thank you so much, Rashmika. You have been such a lovely actress to work with. I always say, I give a lot of credit to my actors, co-actors, because a lot of performance is only reaction. And reaction comes if you have a counter good actor. 60% of acting is, I would consider it as reacting. And reaction comes when you have the best actors. I'm very fortunate. I have great actors like Fafa, great actors like Rashmika, and many more actors in this film. If my performance tomorrow, they say it's good in the film, I give the credit to, of course, my director and all my actors who have been supporting. Thank you so much, Shrivalli.
Thank you.
And for the wonderful person that you are. I've been promoting the film with you. I've seen you more on a personal side. I wish you all the best. And I'm very sure you will become the heart, not just of the National Crush, you'll become the heartthrob of Kerala also soon.
Yeah, that's a totally different country. That's God's own country.
I know, it's a different country, that's why.
So you have to remember that. But you were talking to me about the technical side of this movie. So please tell us about your technicians.
The most important technician, who is the reason for this whole thing to happen, the Arya film to happen, everything is of the 250, 300, ma'am. What I would like to say is, what I'm working for and what I would like to be is, ma'am, we're all coming together as South cinema. And this is the biggest film that's coming from South cinema in 2021. And the entire country is going to watch it. It's not a Malayalam film, it's not a Telugu film, it's not a Kannada film, Malayalam film. It's a film that's coming from the South, which is going to be released all over. Not just the South, but it's going to release all over India. And even North Indian audience are going to watch it. It's a representation from South, but it's a multi-language, all over the country, pan-Indian film. And madam, eventually what is going to be standing out is not Telugu cinema, Malayalam cinema, Kannada cinema, Hindi cinema. It's going to be Indian cinema. I want Indian cinema to put us, my attempt is to put Indian cinema on a highest pedestal. 200 crores, 250 crores is not the potential of Indian cinema. Indian cinema's potential is much, much, much. I am billing it 10 to 100 times more. I want to see the potential of Indian cinema come out. Thank you.
So finally, you could have people, when they say you're South Indian, we're going to be very proud of it because we are South Indian.
Yes, we are South Indians, and I want all of us to be proud that we are.
And we're united.
Yes, we are Indians first, and then we're proud South Indians. Thank you.
Okay. So.
Very nice question. Fafa has dubbed for himself in all the languages.
Whoa! He is too much.
Thank you. Thank you. Sir. And just like how you asked to fulfill your promise, December 17th.
Sit down, please.
Pushpa.
Don't jump. Sit. Please don't. He's here.
Thank you.